Hello everyone. So now I'm going to answer question about coin dance. Question number 1 asks whether the viewer learned anything from the movie. The movie taught me about the significance of preserving culture and traditions. Question number 2 asks for the message of the movie and whether the viewer agrees or disagrees with it. I agree with the movie's emphasis on safeguarding culture and heritage. Question number 3 asks if there was something the viewer didn't understand about the film. I struggle to take the specific cultural and historical context of the story. Question number 4 asks for the strongest emotion the viewer felt when watching the film. Watching the film filled me with pride for our cultural heritage. Question number 5 asks what the viewer liked best about the movie and why. The portrayal of cultural preservation resonated with me, highlighting its importance. Question number 6 asks what the viewer liked least about the film and why. I was disheartened by the underdeveloped characters and unclear motivations. Question number 7 asks what the question the viewer would ask the screenwriter if given a chance. If I could, I'd ask the screenwriter about the inspiration behind the film and how they conceived the story. Thank you.